day, sir, madam. My name is Kimi Tingson Candanilla, 34 years old, single parent, list two children, age 15 and 13. My mother and father have both deceased. I have one brother, one sister. I am from Negros Occidental. I am the member of the Church of Latter-day Saints. I am high school graduate, and I work as a domestic helper in Philippines for 2 years. I serve four family members, two adults, one newly born, 4 months old, and one children, 10-year-old. My main duties: cleaning the house, taking care of the baby, washing clothes, ironing clothes, washing dishes, and car washing and gardening. And I finish my contract. And I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for two different employer. My employer first, I worked for 2 years and 2 months. I served seven family member, two adult, three teenager ages 19, 18, and 16, and two children aged 8 years old, twins. My main duties: cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and wash the dishes, car washing, and gardening. And I finished my contract. My second employer, I worked for 1 year and 10 months. I served four family member, two adult, one newly born 8 months old, and one children 2 year old. My main duties: taking care of the baby, cooking, cleaning the house, wash the clothes, ironing the clothes, wash the dishes, and car washing and gardening. And I, sis, sir, madam, if you hire me, I will do my best to serve your family, and I will treat your family as my family too. I will do my duties, and I will do my responsibilities. I will be honest, loyal, flexible, reliable, and hardworking. That's all. Thank you and God bless.